Okay. Well, it seems as though the screw is too small for me to get this tap on here. Just will not grab it. Drilled it, and all it wants to do is fall off into the wood. So the second course of action is to get a drill bit that is a hollow drill bit that I'm going to just drill down and grab the metal out of there, and then I'll plug it with a dowel, and it'll still be beautiful, of course, because the plate, the bridge, wherever that went, the bridge, anyhow, will be over this all anyhow. Oh, there it is. Same place I left it before. So yeah, the bridge will still cover all that up. The other issue that I have is the pickups are mounted straight to the body, and they don't have anywhere near the proper height. This pickguard material is so flimsy. The electronics are cheap, so I got a new switch. I ordered 2 pots. I ordered another mini switch, and I know I have 100 CTS, or not CTS, but switchcraft jacks. So I'm just going to wait for all that to come in the mail, and we're going to make a new pickguard. It's going to be similar to the shape of this, but as you can see, or maybe not, hold on, let me get a better camera angle. As you can see with this pickguard up here, well, I'll hold it up, and then it won't be in the picture. You see how kind of cattywampus that is? It's not cut right, it's cut odd, and so we're going to make it more shapely, matching the lines and whatnot. So I'll wait for those parts to come in. In the meantime, I will be cutting a new pickguard, and we're going to make it beautiful. I've got a flat black pickguard upstairs. We're back here in the lair, and this was in here, and I'm thinking, at first I'm like, why did they overroute that? And I looked again, and here it's glued in. And same way with here, and the pickups were direct mounted into these deep chasms with this as a wooden shim to get the pickups higher. They didn't know that they could mount these to the top of the pick guard like they're supposed to. So whenever we cut the new pick guard, that's what we're going to do. Reshield the inside of this cavity and go cut a new pick guard. The materials finally came in. I just have to make a pick guard that doesn't look all wonky on the horn here, and follows the contour of the body a little better. But otherwise, I think we're golden. So I've got the 2 pots. I've got the 3-way switch, a real one, a real CTS jack. We're on our way. So it's just surprise after surprise with this guitar. The 19th fret is too dang high. Everything else looks like it's within reason. Where's my measuring thing? No. Ah, you remember these from high school, right? So if we take these and unturn them a bit, make everything really fluffy. And we gather our strings up. And we stick in a eraser right there. No, not right there. Right there. And we stick another eraser. I think I need to get a little more slinky. Then we take another eraser and we stick it right there. That way I can get my fret file in between there. I'll zoom in here a little bit so you see what I'm doing. And we'll move the camera that way some. This way some. There we go. Now, got the strings up off of the neck. Somebody's digging me. Hold on just a minute. Must respond. We've got a medium. We've got another medium. So we're going to take this and put it on the 150 side. Just going to take it down a little bit. Let's see, did that do anything? Nope, big old hump. I'm going to have to get the grinder out. We lowered the string height at the first fret so it's all at 22 thousandths. There is 10 thousandths worth of relief at the 7th, and like I said, we're at between 5.5 and 6/64 here. It's going to be playable. Are you going to be playing, Satriani and stuff way up here? Not today. Let's do some pickup height. Where's my, there they are. To do your pickup height, I use these things from StuMac. Hate to keep on saying their name, but there's the ones who make it. Okay, that pickup could go down a little bit. There we go. Yep, too much. That's just right. And we take this one over here. Because you want the treble side a little bit closer. And it's got to go down. And now it's got to go back up. Aha, okay. Now the bridge side. Come up. I'll bring it up too high because this bridge blade is a 9.5-inch radius and this neck is a 12-inch radius. So if you bring it up too high, it's going to be too close to the strings in the middle. That's too high. Somewhere in between there. Oops, wrong screw. Ah. Okay, that should do it. A little bit more. Yep, wrong screw again. I'm so done with this thing. Ah, there we go. Now the other side. Oh, just go down here. We'll check it. Okay, we'll check it. We'll check it. We'll check it. Good. Plug it into the noisemaker real quick, just to make sure that nothing broke while I was not touching it. We knocked down this here fret, the 17th, 18th, 19th fret. I had to take quite a bit off of it. It's going to look a little bit wider than the others around it. But I did use Uncle Stu's crowning file, so it does have a good crown on it. It does not buzz, but it looks a little bit wider because of all the stuff I had to take off of it. You're going to have that. So let's go ahead and check the intonation. I roughed it in, and let me just see where we are with it. we got to put some knobs on this, knobulators. All right. Okay. Knobulator on. Okay, where's the other one with the set screw? Everything is shielded inside, in case you're wondering. Okay, look at that. Got the knobulators, they work. Switches work. Okay, at long last, this is going to be like a 3-part video. Thank you. And please subscribe to my channel. Check me out on Facebook, Stringman Guitars. Guys, have a lovely evening. I'm going to go listen to some rock and roll and drink a couple beers. You have a great weekend.